What's going on, Moon Gang? I hope that you're having an awesome day. Now, in today's video, I will be switching up things just a bit, and I'll be going over a list of 5 stocks that are all excellent investment opportunities. If you can pick them up at the right price, I feel very confident that they will produce massive returns. Before I get into that though, if you enjoyed this video, it would be great if you could drop a like, and if you haven't already, don't forget to join the Moon Gang by hitting the subscribe button. Your help with hitting 10,000 subscribers would be truly appreciated. Alrighty then, let's get started. The first stock on this list is Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir is a Peter Thiel company that deals with data analytics and software, and it serves over 100 clients. Its biggest client is the US government, and in fact, I believe it just won a $40 million contract from the FDA, and it's also helping with Operation Warp Speed. Palantir is trading just below $29. Over the past week, it has gained 30%, and over the past month, it has gained 93%. At the time that I'm filming this video, I do own call options on Palantir, and they're up a pretty respectable 40%. Palantir's 52-week high and all-time high is 33.50, which means it's roughly 16% away from current levels. Once we get above that, I will personally be watching the key psychological levels of $40 and $50, and in terms of technical support, the closest ones would come at 24 and then 21. The second stock on this list is Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. Pfizer is a gigantic pharmaceutical company, but beyond that, it's also a Rona play. Recently, there have been some very bullish comments about the efficacy of its vaccine, and now orders are pouring in from all over the world. Pfizer is trading just above $42, which means over the past week it has gained 4.7%, and over the past month it has gained 6.9%. Today, it was able to hit its 52-week high of $42.77, which means it's roughly 4% away of its all-time high at $44. Once we get above that, I will closely be watching the price level at $50. In terms of technical support, there's proven demand at both $40 and $39. The next stock on the list is Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. Plug Power is a green energy company that deals with hydrogen fuel cells, and as a business, it is well positioned to ride the EV wave. Plug is trading just above $28, and recently it has been doing very well. Over the past week, it is up 25%, and over the past month, it is up 46%. A lot of these gains have to do with the very good Q3 earnings announcement. Today, it was able to hit both its 52-week and all-time high just below $30, and in all honesty, I think it's just a matter of time before this stock shoots up to $40. In terms of support, the closest one would be just above $25, and after that, another support would be found just above $22. The fourth stock on this list is another EV play, and in fact, Tesla is the leading EV company. Tesla trades under the ticker TSLA, and if you haven't heard of it, I'm really not sure what rock you've been living under. Tesla is trading just under $650. Over the past week, it has gained 16%, and over the past month, it has gained 47%. Today, the stock hit both its 52-week and all-time high at $651, and in terms of price targets, analysts just came out with $780. In terms of support, I would recommend watching the previous high of 607, and past that, we have 585. And as a quick side note, I am fully expecting the volatility to pick up as we get closer and closer to Tesla's induction into the S&P 500, which will happen on December 21st. The final stock on this list is Snowflake, ticker symbol SNOWW. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse company, and when it IPO'd in September of this year, just like Palantir, it had the rare endorsement of Warren Buffett. Personally, I'm a big fan of companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Snowflake because I truly believe that cloud computing, analytics, and storage is the way of the future. Snowflake is trading just below $390, and recently it has been on a tear. Over the past week, it is up 32%, and over the past month, it is up 47%. Today, it hit its all-time high of $429. In terms of support, you might find one at $370, but personally, I will be watching $340. And in terms of a price target, the recent action is telling me that the sky is the limit for this stock. Palantir, Pfizer, Plug Power, Tesla, and Snowflake are all excellent long-term investments, and if you can pick them up at the right price, they will produce massive returns. And as a quick bonus, Don't forget that Airbnb is IPOing on Thursday, December 10th, so you should check that out because I'm expecting some serious volatility. I would love to know your thoughts on all of these stocks in a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you haven't already, don't forget to join the Moon Gang by hitting the subscribe button. All that engagement really helps me out. And as a quick reminder, if you're interested in free stocks, there's a link to the Webull trading platform in the description of this video. If you sign up and make an appropriate deposit of at least $100, you will be awarded 4 free stocks, so it's definitely worthwhile to check out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, best of luck in the markets.